Hi, if you want to use photos grids on the iPhone 16, then open settings, here go in the camera section and after that scroll a bit to see this grid feature. So to enable it, just simply tap on the switcher and let's check the difference. So I'm gonna open the camera and now you can see these lines on the screen. If we'll disable this feature, then we'll see just this empty screen. So, just use the grid lines to straighten the horizon in your photo. This will immediately make your photo look neater and more professional. Just focus on the lines when framing and instead of centering your subject, place it along the grid lines. This will give the photo more dynamics and interest. And also place the horizon along the top or bottom of the grid lines. This will add complexion and style to the composition. And that's it how it works. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you for watching.